Welcome to your STEM Learning Lab, where curiosity meets creativity and habits become real discoveries. This project may take a few days or even few weeks. Just like any real experiment, it needs patience, planning, and passion. You will use the 7 building blocks to guide your project, from micro reviews to rest and balance. Each habit helps you build, test, and reflect like a future STEM leader. Choose your path. Build a bird feeder and observe visits. Train a pet and study behavior, or explore a natural trail and journal what you discover. Your journey begins with one question. Begin by predicting. What do you expect to see or learn? Write it down. That's your hypothesis. As you explore, track your process. Quick reviews, journal entries. Note down struggles in your challenge folder. It's okay to make mistakes. That's how science works. Compare at least 2 reliable sources. What does each one add to your understanding? Don't forget to pause, stretch, reflect, recharge. Rest fuels focus. Now teach what you have learned. Present it to your class, your friends, or your pet. Saying it out loud makes it real. Your final task. Document your journey with your Learning Lab report template. List your materials, steps, results, and what you discovered about yourself. Want to go further? Share your project with us at Global Math Institute and receive a special gift and a personal letter of appreciation. You have built more than a project. You have built habits for life. Let your STEM journey bloom.